Hey everyone, wanted to make a quick video today about the fact that even though I work in the auto parts industry, that I still order most of my auto parts online. And by most, I really mean like 90%. The only time that I'm going to buy something in the store that I work at is really if the price is basically the same as ordering it online, which is pretty rare. There aren't that many parts in the auto parts store which equal to what I could pay for them online. Usually we're charging way more money for parts just because it costs more money to run a retail storefront, which is just part of the business. But we do really overcharge for a lot of parts, and I'm sure a lot of guys that make comments have written in emails to me know that. And just as an example, that I need to do some front brakes on my own personal vehicle recently, and I priced it out with my store discount on how much they would be in the store. And the reality is that they came to about a little over $200 for their front pads and rotors. The rotors each were $70, even with my discount. The decent pads, which I don't think we sell really great brake pads, if I'm being honest, but we sell a lot of them every day, and we sell a lot of them to auto repair shops and DIY customers. Those were about $60, even with my discount. So to do the front pads and the rotors, it would cost me a little over $200. Now, I decided to order them online. I got two rotors for about $46, which were kind of lower end rotors. I don't typically spend much on rotors. That's just my own personal opinion. I haven't really seen that much of a difference with them. I'm not really into like getting slotted race car rotors, things like that. Some of you guys may be. For the pads, I did want to get some better ones, which weren't these AutoStore brands, so I went for these Akibonos, and those were only like 36 and then maybe like 40ish, I think, or something with shipping. So yeah, altogether it was probably about 90. So I saved $110 ordering online, and it just took a few days, about a week, for those pads and rotors to come in. So it really just doesn't make sense. The only time that I see car guys coming in to get parts is just when they need the stuff that same day. So yeah, if I needed those rotors and pads the same day to do them on another person's car, I would definitely get them in the store just because it's more convenient. Car guys that come in that work on their own cars, a lot of times that I've built relationships with these customers, they tell me the same thing. They order majority of their parts online. They're not usually coming into our store to buy parts. The things that they're buying at the store typically are just fluids. So, like coolant, motor oil, transmission fluid, and, odds and ends and things like that. Now, these guys can still spend a lot of money in the store when they're working on their own cars. But again, most of the time they'll say, yeah, like the selection here is not very good, and then what you charge for the parts is typically pretty high. There are kind of exceptions to that, sometimes for like calipers or things like that with something they need the same day. Sometimes those can be a similar price to what you would get online, or it's just more convenient to come to the store. Obviously for something like a starter or alternator, which you would need the same day, or a battery, we charge a lot for those, and you can't really get an auto battery other places. The only other places you go which are a lot cheaper are Costco and Walmart. I know some guys that also live near something called Rural King, which people get batteries through. But yeah, we overcharge on batteries quite a lot. But the reality is that ordering parts online is generally more convenient, it's less expensive, and the parts come right to your door. The one con, though, obviously, is if there's an issue with the part, returning it or getting a warranty can be more of a pain in the butt. Having the auto store there, it does kind of make it easier. Granted, I have seen a lot of people come in and they try and warranty a part, honestly, and sometimes, it can be a little tricky even to warranty through us. So it depends on who the general manager is. I've heard at some of the other stores, or just kind of what the shift manager there's policy is. But anyway, I'd love to hear guys' opinions on this. I'd also like to hear how you like these videos where I talk and then I overlay stock footage, what I'm doing right now. The other videos I've done like this, you guys seem to like. The ones where I've done where I'm doing like more auto repair stuff, they don't seem to get as many views. YouTube really seems to be pushing these more opinionated videos, more political content, I've noticed, which is a little frustrating because I've tried to move away from it. But if you have any comments on ordering auto parts online versus buying them in the store, if you work in the auto repair industry, I'd love to hear your comments below. let me know with some feedback. Granted, always be respectful in the comments. Always be respectful when you shoot me an email. And yeah, if you like the video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. That helps me with the YouTube algorithm. You guys take it easy.